This is a really different episode. I'm not in my workshop, I'm not in my garage, but I'm actually, at the moment, I'm in a connecting flight, so I'm at Atlanta at the moment. Never been to Atlanta before, not going to see much of Atlanta, but it's nice to stop here anyway. So I am going to Tampa in Florida to Diamond City Cycles, and today is the first day. Today is the day of traveling. We've got a connecting flight, we've got another hour and a half, so it's probably going to be about midnight my time when we're arriving there. So, but it's all good, it's all in the name of charity. We are building a bike. I'm going to get to see the bike tomorrow. Hopefully there's going to be a bike. I hope there's going to be a bike. If not, I'm going to be pretty worried, but hopefully tomorrow we'll see if there's a bike in the workshop there. So it's enough from me. See you in Tampa. Here they are. Look at that. And there's Manny. Manny's got his tripod out. How you doing, guys?
You got a sign for you.
Look at that! Without the H. How you doing, Manny? Right?
Good to meet you, man.
Good to meet you. How you doing? We're gonna say hi to Manny. Oh, long. How you doing, mate? You all right?
Yeah, we had to do it. We're calling you Anthony for once. So great, I'm glad you're here.
Excellent. Good to see you. Good to see you. Wow. It's so strange after all this time. And I'm going to stick this camera in people's faces as well. Alright, that's it now. I'm here. I've had some food. Oh, what time is it? I think it's about 2:30 in the morning, UK time. It's about 9 o'clock here, or 9:30. I need to get up tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. Yeah, it is. Oh, it is actually 9 o'clock. So it's 2 o'clock in the morning, UK time. So I need to get up early in the morning. Need to get up at 6. Meet the guys. Meet the rest of the guys at Diamond City. Let them take me around. And get to see if there's a bike there. So that is all from me tonight. This is me. Good night. Damn. Alright, so the next morning now. Really didn't sleep at all last night. So what we're doing here is really important. We are, essentially, we're building a bike, but we are collecting money and raising money and awareness for charity. Breakfast sorted, and Diamond City have also sorted me out with a vehicle, transportation, not a bike. It's pretty much an extra out of Jurassic Park. Look at those tires. Where are you gonna go with those tires? Amazing, look at that. It's even got my name on it. Oh, that's amazing. Thank you so much. That's amazing. Thank you. So, finally at the back of Diamond City now. So let's see if there's a bike in here. Here we go. I don't know how much of it you can see in here, but yes, there is a bike in here.
I'm thinking about that. We're judging you. So.
Oh, yeah, I know you're judging me. I can see it in your eyes.
We just got a scorecard, so.
Right, so here at Diamond City, this is the workshop we've got. These are all the bikes. Oh, mate, and there's some Diamond City guys at the back. See. So these are the bikes that they've got. These are previous bikes that they've got. And we might even take a few of these. I mean, look at this. That XS is beautiful, but you can see a little Honda here. In fact, we've got two. That's the best thing about it. We've got this one here, which is a running model, but there's a bit of an oil leak here from what we did outside. There's an XV over here. This engine's stripped down. We've got a GS1100 engine, which is being built. We've got Manny's bike. Manny, what bike do you say this was? Because I can't identify it from the frame. KZ400. I really do love that paint job. So there's the CB1100F here, which I think you've seen a video of on Diamond City's channel. If you haven't seen it yet, go onto their channel, have a look at their description, you can see all the parts that they've used on this. And it is trick, even down to these beautiful carbs here. USD forks, bikes galore. Look at all this machinery here. There's no end of machinery. Tanks. There's a shirt for me. It's even got my little name on it. We've got parts. Oh, everything, tools. In fact, I think this is going to be my tool chest, screwdrivers. Yeah, everything. Perfect. Rims. Obviously not my XF. Tire puller. We've got a shop press here. We've got a tube fender. We've got a small vapor honing, and we've got this big mother of a vapor hone here, which can actually, how do I open this? Take an entire engine. We've got a second CX500. So this is for parts. That is it. CX, someone's even left me the dimensions here, so we are creating a tracker out of it. That's not the seat that we're going to be using. I've just been given this as a, as something to measure it. Potential new tank on there. That's it. So that is it from me for today. I've got here, make a start on tearing the bike down in the next episode. Over the course of the next few months, we'll be putting up polls where you can vote which parts you want when we're drilling down to the dials and the grips and everything like that. Subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Dime City Cycles' channel as well, show your support on there, and visit us on Instagram, and please send us your love. And that is all from me. Have a good weekend. It will be a weekend because it's Friday. Have a good weekend, safe riding, and I will see you Monday's episode.